Hello, I'm Dr. Siddharth Prakash. I'm a cosmetic and plastic surgeon and I practice at Lybrate Hospital in Bandra and at my own clinic in Andheri, Lokhandwala. Today I would like to talk to you a bit about plastic surgery in general because most people do not have a lot of information about this branch. Plastic surgery involves a very wide variety of procedures. Now, these procedures can vary from reconstructive procedures which aim to correct abnormalities which come from cancer surgeries, from injuries, from burns, from difficult wounds, and it can also be cosmetic plastic surgery. Cosmetic plastic surgery aims to make you more beautiful, to improve your appearance. The most common questions, the most common inquiries that I receive in my own cosmetic surgery practice is about liposuction. Liposuction is a fat reduction and a body reshaping procedure. Then I'm asked about tummy tuck, about abdominoplasty, about breast surgeries like breast augmentation, breast lift, breast reduction, male breast correction. I'm asked about facial plastic surgeries like facelifts and nose jobs, lip augmentation, chin and cheek augmentations. I'm asked about other skin tightening procedures after weight loss and many more. The list is endless. But if you are considering any of these procedures, I'm sure you have a lot of questions. If I could just touch upon some of the questions today, it will be good. The most important question would be, how do I choose my plastic surgeon? Now, you don't visit a plastic surgeon only because his clinic is very close to you or your home, or he charges very less, or his waiting room is always full. Those are the wrong reasons. The right reasons, you would have to be sure about his credentials, his qualifications. Is he a qualified plastic surgeon? Because unfortunately there are many general surgeons or even plain MBBS doctors who are doing a lot of cosmetic surgery procedures. Now that is not safe and I would not advise that. The other thing would be, does he have additional training or fellowships in cosmetic plastic surgery? Because a good reconstructive surgeon may not always be a good cosmetic surgeon, and your doctor should be trained in the procedure that you are planning to have. Another question would be, which hospital is your doctor attached to? Naturally, the best hospitals in the city would employ the best cosmetic surgeons as well, so that becomes an automatic choice. Another important factor is what sort of a connection that you're able to have with your plastic surgeon. Does he give you time? Does he listen to you? Does he answer your questions? So in short, how comfortable is your plastic surgeon making you in your consultation? So that first consultation is an important time. I usually keep about 1 hour for my new patients because I need to know their expectations. I need to know what they have come in with, what are their desires, what changes do they want in their appearance, and they want to know from me which procedure would be exactly right for them, what could be the possible side effects, or I need to know what concerns they have. So this involves time, it involves a building of a relationship, and I need to be able to answer all your questions thoroughly so that you are mentally and physically ready for your surgery. The other questions that people have are regards place, time, cost. If it's a small cosmetic surgery procedure, I can do it in my clinic, but larger procedures need to be done in a fully equipped hospital. I would never advise anybody to get a cosmetic surgery procedure in a small, ill-equipped sort of a nursing home or place simply to save some money. That would not be safe. As regards time, if you come into the hospital in the morning, you can be ready to go home by evening. Most surgeries nowadays are daycare procedures. If it's a bigger surgery, then you might need to stay in overnight. And if you are an overseas patient, if you're coming in from another city, you can choose to stay back in the hospital for a few more days, but that's by choice. As regards cost, now depending upon how big the procedure is, the cost is very variable, and it can be something very little to something much more depending upon how much time the surgery is going to take. But believe me, cosmetic surgery is affordable. It is not as expensive as some people would like you to think. Other questions that people have are regards what results can I expect from plastic surgery. Now I can give you pretty impressive results, and they can make a big difference to your appearance, bordering on miraculous even. But if you believe that you're going to be able to look like that particular celebrity or somebody totally different, then that's fiction. That's only in movies and cinema. It's not true. Will these results last? Yes. Most results from surgery will be lifelong, and if your doctor does advise you some dietary or health modifications, then you should keep that in mind, but results will be permanent. Results will last. And are these results safe? Are these procedures safe? They are very safe. That's not a problem if you're in the right hands, in the right hospital. Okay. All surgical procedures have a small risk of bleeding or infection or scarring, but what is more important is your doctor's ability to be able to keep the chance of anything like that happening to the minimum. And if some rare thing does occur, he should be confident enough to be able to handle it well. Your doctor should be with you through your recovery period, through the entire healing process. He should be able to answer your questions, and I aim to be there for everything so that you are comfortable and you are well taken care of. So in general, plastic surgery is very effective, very safe, and I'm sure you have a lot more questions specific to certain procedures that you have in mind. You could always contact me via Lybrate and come into my clinic for a personal one-on-one consultation. I look forward to seeing you. Thank you.